Hello guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to set your Xbox headset, mic or headphones. And the first thing that we're going to do is to check what type of headset or microphone you do have. There are two type of headsets out there that you can plug onto your Xbox. And if you look at this one here, it only has two rings. And if you look at the other one, it has three rings. Both are the jack microphone, but do not actually work. Only one of these work, and that is the one that you should have to start in order for you to set up the sound into your Xbox. If you have the one with two rings, unfortunately it will not work with Xbox or Xbox One or Xbox X. So I suggest you get one with three rings or the CTIA. Let's press the home button and go to the left side. I just want to show you something under settings and audio settings. You can see that everything is grayed out. All the settings are grayed out because I haven't plugged in my microphone as yet. So let's connect the microphone and see what will happen. Let's just wait guys, let's see. Yeah, now you can see we got audio. The device have recognized our microphones and it's now plugged in. If for some reasons, for some people, the headset mic is off, you can switch it on and off, and you can see that you have other option. Headset volume is your volume. Headset chat mixer, basically it's when there's a lot of people chatting on the headset, on the microphone. Maybe you're playing a game that involves a lot of people chatting, then you can adjust the volume, as well as the mic monitoring. It does the very same thing. If for some reasons your microphone is still not responding, you can try and go through settings and try and adjust few things over there, because there are other audio settings over there. Let's go on settings and select volume and output. So Xbox One will have a lot of options regarding audio where you can select and change few things. Under party chats, I prefer having it under headsets because I want to be the only one listening to other people, the chat and what they're saying, instead of having it on the speaker where everyone else can hear. You know, it might disturb people, so I like keeping it on the headset. And guys, just go around, play with other settings, but as long as your audio is set, it should work and you should be able to communicate with others. I hope guys you've learned something on this tutorial today, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and support by liking the video. Thank you so much.